Hello everyone, welcome to watch tutorial video of Naviforce 9181 model watch. In this video, I'll guide you the easiest way to set time and date. Let's get started. The very first step to set time and date in this Naviforce 9181 model watch is you have to see whether you are in timekeeping mode or not. Currently, I'm in timekeeping mode where you can see time as well as date. If it is in different function, like if I press left side down button, this is stopwatch. If I press again, this is alarm. This is another function. This is dual time mode. Press again left side down button where you will come in timekeeping mode. Once you come here to adjust time, press right side down button. Once I press, you can see here seconds have started blinking. To make it 0, press right side top button. So whenever I press this right side top button, it makes it 0. After adjusting second, to adjust hour and minute, press left side down button. As you see here, now the hour have started blinking. To go forward, press right side top button. Press one by one to change AM and PM. Currently I am in AM. If I continue press this same button, it will change into PM. As you see here on the display, small icon of P is there. After adjusting hour, to adjust minute, press left side down button again. You can see here minutes have started blinking. Use same right side top button to go ahead. So this is how you can adjust time. Now to go towards another format, again press left side down button. As you see here, we have arrived in date function. This is currently month. To go forward, press right side top button, 11, 12. In this way, you can choose your month. After adjusting month, to adjust days, press left side down button again. Press right side top button to go forward. So this is how you can change. Now to adjust days of a week, again press left side down button. As you see here, the Friday is blinking. If I press right side top button, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. In this way, you can change days of a week. Now we will move towards how to change hour format in this watch. Again, press left side down button. Here you can see it's blinking 12. It means this is 12 hour format. Now to change towards 24-hour format, press right side top button. So if you don't want, then again press right side top button. It will go towards 12-hour format. Once you change everything to make it fixed, press right side down button. This will automatically adjust the time you have kept. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel because I upload different watch related tutorial video here.